Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I'm here to do the last Stitchy Carousel package update. The package arrived today, which is Wednesday, and so I'm going to show everybody what's inside. It has made the rounds. This is the second package that went out. The first one got lost in the mail, so I sent out another one, and it has made its rounds back to the ones that had not done it, and now it's back to me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's inside. The first thing I want to show is there is 2 Moe's Sail Floss. This is Gothel and TARDIS. Very pretty. And the next thing is Heartstring Sampling Fruit Basket Pendant. Complete kit. The next thing is a bead nabbit. And this will come in handy when I get ready to do my mirror. So, kind of anxious to try that. And then DMC floss bobbins. I use these, so these will definitely come in handy. If I sound a little nasally, I'm having very, very bad allergies, but I wanted to get this video made. This is Priscilla's Pocket Stoneware Cat. Love my cats. This is perfect, and it's a complete kit. It comes with the chart, the linen, floss, and trim. And got some minis, which I like. This is Lighthouse. Really pretty colors. This is a Bucilla, an owl. It comes with everything. And this is Blackbird Designs, my first Blackbird Designs piece, and it's Spring Fever. Love the birds, very pretty. And this is Diane Graebner Designs Cats and Quilts, perfect. Love the cats. I used to have a black cat, so this is perfect. And this is Just Nan Victor Stocking, and that is cute. And this is Reality Check Summer House Stitchworks. That's pretty too. I love these sampler type things. I'm really kind of wanting to get into doing kind of sampler things. And this is really nice. Anne Grant, 1829, by Shakespeare's Peddler. And yes, I'm really looking forward to stitching this. Like I said, I'm kind of getting on the sampler bandwagon. So this is going to be very, very nice. And then we got Hearts and Flowers. Just a whole bunch of sayings. So that's nice. And got Ornament Addiction. Love that. With all of the little ornaments. It's from the Stony Creek collection, and I love my ornaments. I love my little minis. And here is 2, I can't really show them, but I'll do it quickly, from the Cricket collection. There's freebies. So there's 3 patterns on those. And then Stony Creek Collection Christmas Sentiments. That's very pretty. That is very, very pretty. I really like that. And the last one is the Cricket Collection Folk Art Sampling. There are a bunch of smalls, it looks like, too. So that is everything that I got back. And I just want to take this time to thank everybody that did participate. I'm so sorry that the package got lost. We had made it through to the 11th person when it got lost. And I felt that I needed to get another package out so that those that had signed up could complete the swap. So we did that, and there were 2 angels, Stitchy Carousel Package Angels. I don't know if they want their names mentioned, so I'm not going to mention them, but they helped me get stuff together, so there was more of a variety of things to pick from. So I want to thank them so much for helping me get the second package out to the rest of the ones that hadn't received it yet. I am going to do it next year. I am thinking about doing it a little differently next year. I'm thinking about having everybody that wants to do it to let me know. I'll let you guys know when the time comes. But, just let me know that, yeah, I want to do it. And I'm going to just have everybody written down. And I think what I'm going to do is maybe do 2 groups. So everybody can do it, but we don't have as many people. Because it took about 2.5 months. This package started on February 1st. And it just ended today. So that's quite a long time. So I'm going to try maybe to do 2 groups and have them less people so we can get it done quicker that way. So I'm thinking about doing that. But anyway, yeah, that's all for now. But I just wanted to thank everybody. I appreciate everybody participating. There were no problems other than the package getting lost. Packages were mailed when they were supposed to be mailed, and it just went really, really well for as many people as we had. So I want to thank all of you again, and I look forward to your possible participation in next year's Stitchy Carousel package. So until my next video, everybody have a great Stitchy time.